Why y'all there? It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home, the Sticks. Wherever you're at in the world, I hope you're having a show enough good end of the week and everything's good with you. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, we are under a tornado watch. Really? Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, I'm going to show you a few things out in the garden, give you a couple of updates, and yeah, just some stuff I got growing on over here still, over here at the farm at the Home in the Sticks. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, I apologize for the wind up front. It's starting to get really windy and clouding up over here. This was unexpected. I didn't even think, we'd be under some type of tornado watch or warning, But yeah, I guess it is what it is. Let me show you this, this wild plum tree. And there it is. This guy I planted, I don't know, maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, something like that. And it's still growing. I had a few questions about it because of just how weird it is, but I haven't done anything to the tree other than fertilize it, and it is growing like wildfire right now. The only thing that's really weird about this tree is it's putting off plums, but with all this wind we've been getting, they've just been falling off, and I think that's really weird. The last couple of years it tried to put off these little plums. They were a lot smaller than this one, but yeah, they just fell off. Now this year they got a little bit bigger and they're still falling off. This plum tree was loaded with plums. I come out here and I looked a couple of days ago and it had plums all over the place, but now it's just real hard to even find. Oh, here's one right there. Here's a better shot of it. See there? But I guarantee you, with all the wind that we fitting to get, that joker ain't gonna stay on there very long. So that's one thing. Another thing is I've lost my 2 golden loquat trees. They are completely dead. And there they are right here. These guys are just completely dead. The only thing that survived is the dadgum comfrey I planted around it. It's still growing. And I believe my little fig tree is gone as well. So I hate seeing this, but yeah. I'm gonna say that the thing that did those loquat trees in is the weather. This year the weather has been incredibly odd. It's been extremely cold. And I want to say that the severe frost and severe cold that we got this year did those loquat trees in, because they've been in the ground for a while, growing but not really doing much. And I do know that loquat trees are not really designed to grow over here in my climate 8B. So I know that I knew putting them in the ground that they may have a problem growing, because they're not designed to grow in this type of environment over here in Mississippi. But yeah, it is what it is. They did grow for a little while. I hate that. I guess if I try to grow some more loquat trees, and I've always wanted to try to grow loquat trees over here, I'm probably going to have to do them or grow them in a controlled environment, which is going to be kind of impossible to grow a tree in. So, but yeah, it is what it is. Let me show you this over. Now, I've been waiting on this to happen, and it has finally happened. These are my true blue collards that have went to seed, and these guys have a lot of seed pods all over them. So this is going to be some cool stuff right here. Got 3 plants, if I'm not mistaken, that have the seed pods. That's 2 right there. Well, 4 actually. Here's one that has a few right here. This one has some big old pods on it as well. So yeah. But the really cool thing behind this is I did these true blue collards, let them go to seed on purpose, because till this day I still get emails sent to me. Dan, you got some True Blue Collar seeds that you want to share or trade? I just have them. I'm gonna have some hopefully soon that I'll just be able to share with the community. So I guess when it comes time to start harvesting, guys, I'll do a video on that, and then I'll let everybody know when I can start sending them out. So yeah, gonna have some True Blue Collar seeds to share with everybody that may want them. One more thing that just, oh Lord, it just it makes me sad is one of my blueberry, well, two of my blueberry bushes. Let me show you this one. All right, here's one right here. This is a powder blue blueberry bush, and it just up and died. Don't know why, but it is dead. And I hate that, because I was hoping that this guy was really gonna grow, because these powder blue blueberries are just delicious. I've tried them and I know they're delicious. I wanted to get them to try to grow over here. Here are my other blueberry bushes. I think I've shown these in a couple of videos past. These guys right here are just resilient. It's just, they've survived all of the cold weather, extremely cold weather, unusually cold weather here in East Central Mississippi on a farm, but they just grow. Here's the other one right here, a little bit shorter, but nonetheless, these two guys right here put off tons of blueberries. Here is my other powder blue blueberry, dead, but this is hopeful right here. This guy is sprouting off some new growth. Maybe I need to get out here and trim these guys back. There we go. I may fertilize this one, and not gonna give it any water, Lord mercy, we finna get a bunch of water, but maybe this one will continue to grow. Pretty excited and happy to see that in the same. So yeah, it's a few things that I still have growing on over here at the Home of the Sticks. I haven't had much chance this season to just grow like I have normally grown in the past, especially with work going on. Did actually take an MRI on last Monday of this week. The radiologist did say that he saw several tears in my left shoulder. So yeah, kind of hoping that I don't have to get cut on, but I don't know. I guess once I get scheduled for the ortho visit, then I will understand a lot better as to what's going on. The doctor gave me a copy of the radiologist report, and I'm here to tell you, I tried to read it. There was a bunch of $1,000 words in that report, and it was way over my pay grade, so I had no clue what it meant. But I guess when I get to the ortho, we'll find out, and then I'll pass it on. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a little short video on what old Dan's got growing on over here, tree-wise. Fruit tree wise, and also I have those True Blue Collards have finally went to seed. Excited to see that, and then I'll have a whole bunch of seeds that I can share with the community for whoever wants to try out some True Blue Collards. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good end of the week, and I hope everybody stays safe amid this crisis that's still going on everywhere. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of the Sticks channel, Lord mercy, y'all need to come over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff or killing trees. That being said, it's coming. Dan Referee show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.